Hey friends, I hope you guys are having a happy new year. Buddy is here blowing in the new year with you all. But we are excited to continue fractions these next few weeks. So this week, today I wanted to review what fractions were, just in case we had some brain fog from the last few days being off. But also, we're going to continue practicing finding fractions on a number line this week. So just as a review, a fraction is a number that names a part of a whole. So this would look like 2 as the numerator and 4 as the denominator. So 2/4 would be what this fraction would be up top. And then down here, we're talking about a unit fraction, and a unit fraction is one equal part of a whole. The numerator of a unit fraction is always 1. So this would be 1/4. And then we know down here, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 would equal 4/4, or 1 whole. This rectangle is divided into equal parts. And then thinking about what fraction names each part of this rectangle, it would actually be good. Each part would be 1/4. So that's what we would say for that one. We're going to shade the figure to show one part is 1/8 of the rectangle. So first we have our rectangle, and if we would divide it in half, we would have 2 parts. And if we would divide that half into 2 other halves, we would have now 4 parts. And if we would divide those 4 into 8, we would have now 8s. And it wants us to shade the figure to show one part is 1/8 of the area of the rectangle. So here's 1 out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that would look like 1/8 is shaded. Over here, they're wanting us to figure out which drawing shows 1/6. So we're going to mark all that apply. This one has 1 out of the 6. So this one is good. This one has 2 shaded out of the 4. So we have 2/4 shaded. So that one is not going to work. This one has 1 part shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would work. This one has 1 part shaded too, but let's see how many parts there are totally. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 1/8. So that one wouldn't work either. And this one has 1 half shaded, and we're not looking for a half, we're looking for a 6. So the ones that would work would be A and C, showing that 1/6, so 1 part out of all 6 are shaded. All right, and then just to review real quick, each equal part here shows 1/4. So this is 1/4, this would be a 4th, this would be a 4th, and this would be a 4th. So if they were all shaded in, it would be 4/4, right, or a whole. But only 3 parts are shaded, so we would say that 3/4 of the whole shape is shaded. All right, friends, let's practice numerators, denominators, and fractions a little bit in Schoology tonight for homework. So do your best, and we'll continue practicing fractions on a number line tomorrow.